think it's day 4 now. At least the weather's good, or decent. Still fucking cold, but you know, what can you do? We're gonna go get some hot dogs, potentially. Sorry guys, I did say hot dog, but we ended up at Burger King.
Always gonna bump us. Like it's a black cat. Huh?
Okay, we're at our next place, Midwood Smokehouse. What do you think?
What was that? I thought that was for the collards. Yeah, salad.
This is the beef brisket, I think.
That's it.
I got the fatty one. Oh god, that. Fucking feeling.
Okay, he picks up 8 cards. I didn't flash. He picks up 8 cards. I pick up 4 cards. Because he looked. I didn't look.
Open and someone comes in. Whose fault is that?
But he didn't. Like if someone's coming in, I'm like, yo, over here, yeah. But he's that guy just peeks.
It's not making no rules. You flash.
We don't play like this. Just stop making rules up.
You flashed your card.
Game.
It's a democracy. I think you flashed.
That's not the rules, Kevin.
If you flash the cards, you should.
Flashing is when I put it on the table so everyone sees it.
Fam, he saw it.
No, but that's because he's peeking.
And find that for yourself, bro. And if you can't find it, you're picking it up. And you flashed as well. And that's your second flash of the game, so that's double, bro. Second flash is 7 cards.
We're now leaving Charlotte. We're all getting ready to go. We're in a bit of a rush because we've got 6 hours to go. Ain't that right?
No, why you gonna give it to him for? Like, you're moving mad.
But yeah, should be good, man. Should be good. That's all our snacks.
Yeah, man, my juice ain't here.
As I can't find this juice. Oh. Okay. Just made it to Nashville.
I got a reservation with off on, was it 107?
Apartment troubles. Yeah, I'm good. So we're in the second location. No windows, unfortunately. Okay.
Abhishek should share. Abhishek, you should go share.
No, man, I've been sharing beds all holiday.
Yo, we take some pictures of that.
See if there's anything inside here. Yeah, it looks decent. Our first stop had a piece of chicken. We read all about it. Apparently it's good. We hope it's gonna be good. Okay, that looks pretty bad. It looks bad.
Right, you put just some powder.
So that was probably our most oiliest food.
There's so much oil.
Yeah, it was not, the flavour was there, it was crispy, it was nice, but it was just the oil was so, it was like drinking oil.
No wonder the US love oil, right? It's just fucking insane.
Everyone's fat over here.
I gotta say, I do like the lights, but that's the only thing. Alright, we're ready to party, guys. We are ready to party.
Right here.
Well, here we go in Nashville. We haven't been shot yet, that's a good start. The night is young. Man.
Yeah, I already bought them.
We got all dodgy looks, but you know, it was fine. Time to go back to the ranch.
Yo, it's coming, bro.
Like, bring him downstairs.
That's kind of long, bro. It's just a drop.
No, man. You took him upstairs, put them back downstairs.
Okay, I use the shower, then I'll come back.
No.
Yeah, this place is gonna be a bit peak. So, this fridge is apparently not even cold. And we left our milk back in Charlotte, so in many ways I'm glad we didn't bring the milk.
Bro.
I'll give you one.
I'm gonna chuck your ones out.
And there's no windows, that's not even a window.
I got brick walls, no heating, no fan. The best thing about it is the hats. That's about it. I paid so much, look at it, $80. $80. For what?
You should get honey on it. It's a game changer.
Ooh! Serious. Day 2 in Nashville. It's about to get real serious here, guys. This ain't no paintball shit, you know, none of that stuff. It's no laser tag.
red dot, sight. With a circle and a dot. That dot that's in the center on that white oval. Remember what I said in class? See the red dot, put it on that white oval.
AC 130 standing by. Repeat, AC 130.
Guys, not bad. Not bad at all.
Get some lunch. I think I can literally hear the pigs in the back. It just smells so smoky in here, but we'll see what the wings are saying. Give me. Eat. I'm not gonna get your face. Demolished. Demolished. We've got the Patreon over there. Hope that's how you say it. Apparently it's called Nike. On the house, because the bartender thought I was attractive. Oh,
He's swinging.
I've got to slip it in there. But then to be fair, it's probably because they never heard of J2O before and they took pity on me because I couldn't drink anything there.
It's a Jack Daniels Coke.
Or is it Coke?
Got this drink on the house because the bartender thinks I've had it hot, so cheers boys.
Well, that kind of makes mine look shit.
Super hot in the outside.
It's cool how they have chicken and I don't know if you can see, they got chicken engraved on it in case you forget what you're eating. We're on our way to Atlanta, our first pit stop. Here we go. So we're at IHOP right now. Currently it's really good with pancakes, but we'll find out. Chicken and pancakes, that's a hash brown. Groovy muffins, monster burger. And then we got, and of course we got some, you know, football never leaves us, as you can see. So that was very, very filling. Lecter's defeated.
I'm comfy.
He's comfy as well. I'm bloated as fuck. But we're on our way to grab Nathan. Should be good. I don't know how he's gonna sit in the car, but I'm sure we'll work something out. Yeah, that should be good.